All right, in the case of gold, we have some good news, everybody. Now, as we know, the week in gold did not start off great. On Monday, as you can see here, we started here with a closing price of 1818.82, and then we just slowly dropped down as the week continued. But today, Friday, we're seeing a bounce here. Now, why is that bounce important? Well, a couple of days ago, I made a video about how we have a bit of a death cross with the 50-day moving average crossing below the 200-day moving average, and how this could potentially be a problem for gold prices, but we are currently, or at that moment, we were currently hitting a level of support for the yellow metal. As you can see back here, around late November, early December, that was the last time we were at this low level in the 1770s. And I was worried, for one, to think, well, if we have this death cross and we're dropping below, this may be a bit of a problem. But as you can see here with the candlesticks, we started to get a little bit of a doji here, which was a good sign. You know, as you see before it, we had some pretty strong red candlesticks heading south. But we have a little bit of a bounce back, which, you know, it's not establishing a trend just yet, but at least we're not continuing below this key level of support after a death cross has reared its ugly head. Now, obviously with silver, we don't really have to worry too much about silver. I mean, just take a look here. It's climbing up 50-day moving averages above the 100 and 200. If we scroll back down here and take a look at silver's price action with this graph, as you can see, it's been just trending up. It's not really having too much of an issue. Hopefully it will scale above this closing price of $27.59 today. We will see. But why exactly have the prices for gold started to, why did they rebound today? Well, take a look here. The DXY started to trend down pretty significantly by the end of Thursday, and definitely today, Friday. Now on Thursday, we almost hit a level of 91 within the DXY. And as you guys might have been noticing, the markets have been getting pretty crazy. It just seems like one day it looks good and then the next day it looks bad. Or one moment it looks good and the next moment it looks bad, giving us this like sideways motion within the Dow and S&P. And you're starting to see the VIX come back and play a role. And we started to see the DXY rise, almost hitting the 91 level on Thursday. But we dropped significantly since then, within a short period of time to think about it, into the 90.26 level as of this recording. And obviously with that helps gold and silver prices. We can get a better look at this when we take a look here. Currently we're at 1784.49 for gold. We are at $27.44 for silver. So things are looking pretty good for the metals. So after a pretty rough trading week, both gold and silver are starting to show some recovery here. Gold more so than silver, obviously. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about the movements for gold. Will we actually see a trend develop for more upward motion for gold? With Janet Yellen saying things like, hey, we need a lot more stimulus. We're not getting it, guys. Let's get it pumped into the system. Do you think we will rebound and continue upstream, or will we continue lower underneath that 1770 level in gold prices? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.